What's up, guys? So it's me in the future. You may notice throughout this video I have a different hairstyle and I look a bit different. It's because I originally recorded this video, or started recording it right after the maintenance video, which was like end of October, I think. It is now January 2022, so Happy New Year. It's been like 3 months, but the reason I kind of didn't finish recording when I wanted to was because I was overthinking it. You'll see my explanation later in the video. But yeah, I just wanted to give a quick explanation as to why the videos may seem spaced out and not as flush as it should be. It's because they're a few months apart. Yeah, I just wanted to give an FYI on that. Back to today's regularly scheduled program. What's up, guys? So I sort of lied in the ending of my last video. I am going to be putting everything away, but after I install those, I have the N54 Burger Motorsports dual cone intake and the Precision Raceworks Ignition Coils. So yeah, these are gonna look really nice in my engine bay. And give me 1 second. So after I did the oil change, I replaced my oil cap with a Burger Motorsports one, and I haven't installed the other oil cap because, well, I guess it's oil filter cap, but whatever. I got so originally the N54 valve covers had the square thing around the other valve. Sorry, oil cap. It's very late. My brain's not functioning properly. But yeah, I opted to get the N55 one, which is just a circular one. It just looks a lot cleaner in my opinion. And alongside that, I got the black line oil cap cover, which is all you gotta do is stick 3M on it, but that's what it looks like. I think it's gonna be a really nice accent onto the oil cap. And yeah, I'm gonna get to installing all of this. So I'm going to explain a bit the ignition coils. Precision Raceworks Ignition Coils before I do it, because I have to decouple all these connectors that went into the original ignition coils and then like plug them into the harness that's made for these ones. But yeah, besides that, it's all plug and play. So I'm going to set you up in a time lapse, and I'm going to install these first and then the oil cap, and then we'll go into the coils. But yeah, really transforming my engine bay one piece by another. So yeah, I'm gonna get to it. So the cap came with 3M, so I don't have to do any cutting. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I think it's very clean look. I was going to get the red one originally, but I feel like it would stick out like a sore thumb and not really be a nice accent, because like I don't really have anything else red in there. But yeah, so I just got to put the 3M on this, and then I'm going to attach that. These red dual cone intakes look so sick. I just have to install these like little extension things in here, and then I can stick it into both ends. The only I'm most likely getting a new charge pipe anyway, but this charge pipe I think it's like only compliant with the previous intake which was installed in this, which is an AFE intake. And from all the videos and like research I've done, the blow off valve like mount is not most likely on the charge pipes that fit like the dual cone intake. The mount is actually like closer to the front instead of like back there. So I may or may not have fitment issues, but I didn't know that going into this because I didn't install that charge pipe. So yeah, if it doesn't fit, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But temporary thing that I have to deal with. But yeah, we'll see what I can do about that. Okay, so my phone just died, so I have no idea how much of that I got on camera, but I am so happy with how this looks, because oh my god, this just makes the engine bay look so clean, and it just looks so cool. Like, yeah, but I will indeed replace my charge pipe because I want my blow-off valve to be noticeable, and this is like touching it. I don't really like that. With the I think I'm going with VRSF. I don't know, I'll probably update it if I don't, but the VRSF charge pipe has the blow-off valve mount like up here, so it's not in the way of the dual cone intakes. So yeah, now that I'm done with that, I'm going to do the coils now. So let's get to it. So as you guys can see, I have the bracket with the where the coils go. I got the black ones instead of the blue because I don't have anything blue in my engine bay, and I kind of want everything to match, so I went with black. And yeah, I'm gonna go install these onto the bracket. I believe these are the hardware that they give you for it. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it on time lapse, and then we're gonna go install it on there. So yeah. Alright, so as you guys can see, I just finished bolting up the coil packs to the harness that it came with. It comes with these 3 clips for the exposed wiring for the coil plugs wiring harness, since you have to remove the OEM harness covering that up. I already loomed up the actual wiring with the heat loom that it comes with, since the valve cover gets very hot when the engine is on and like driving. I just didn't want anything happening to the wiring, like it melting or something like that. So I already did that beforehand, right after I did the valve cover maintenance, since I had removed it then anyways. But I have been overthinking doing this for a long time, because there was a forum that I read that said that you would have to decouple the actual what is it, the one second, the actual, what is this, the coil plugs, and you would have to like repin them to the new harness. But the kit that I have came with a harness retrofit thing. So this one second, as you can see, this harness retrofit kit already comes with heat protection for the wiring itself, but this end goes into the Precision Raceworks coils, and then this end goes into the OEM socket, so you won't have to do any decoupling of the wires and repinning them, so that makes it easier on my part. But yeah, I'm gonna go get started on this and put everyone on time lapse. So these are my OEM coils that I took out. I just numbered them just in case. But these are the new ones. Everything's already connected. They don't really matter as to what order I put them in, but once I put it in and connect everything, I have to keep it in that order. So I'm gonna put these in first, and then put in the new coil packs in the harness, and then bolt everything up. Well, the good news is I got the coil pack harness in there. Bad news is I broke the bolt that secures it to the valve cover. So as you can see, I got the front one in there, but the head of the bolt just broke off, and the rest of it is still threaded in the valve cover. So I mean, if I broke both of them, it'd be one thing. It's kind of annoying that I did that. I forgot these were aluminum bolts and they snap very easily, so I obviously over torqued that, even though I wasn't torquing it to any specific spec. That's definitely a problem for later, not now. Maybe if I go big horsepower gains down the road, I'll get a metal valve cover, but like I said, that's tomorrow's problem. Now all I have to do is connect the coils, the ignition coils, to the coil packs, and then plug in the harness to connect to the coil packs. But after that, yeah, pretty much done, besides that annoying little inconvenience. So yeah, I'm gonna finish the rest of this up, and then we're going to do a startup to make sure everything's fine and there's like no misfires, to make sure I bolted down all the coils tight enough. I just finished plugging in all the ignition coils and the wiring for it. My cable management for this, I did the best that I could. I'm probably gonna fix it up a little bit more, just because I don't want anything melting against the fuel rail, because like as you can see, some stuff is touching. I actually have to use this card today, that's why it's kind of messy, but yeah, this is the best I could do to make it as neat as possible. But yeah, now that I finished plugging everything up, I'm going to turn on the car, and hopefully everything starts up fine. But yeah, I'm just gonna put you guys back on the tripod. Everything is running smoothly. There was no misfire when I started it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. For the car cover, I have a special plan coming for that, but because of that loud ticking, temporarily what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut half of the foam off so it actually fits over the new Precision Raceworks coils, and then after that you guys will see my special plan for this. But yeah, that was pretty much it for today. It was a pretty easy install, more tedious than difficult really. I was overthinking it, which honestly made the process a lot longer than it needed to be, but yeah. So as you guys just saw, we tested the car, everything runs smooth, no misfires at all. According to Precision Raceworks, installing this coil pack kit will give up to 20 wheel horsepower. I still haven't tuned them yet. I believe you can tune them on MHD. I could be wrong, but I'm probably going to purchase them purchase the tuning software from Mashimaro in the near future, but I just wanted to install them right now because I have been delaying it for so long. Anyways guys, that's my video for today. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.